If TikTok comments are not showing, start by refreshing the app. Close TikTok completely, reopen it, and check if the comments appear. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent comments from loading. Switch between Wi Fi and mobile data or restart your router for a more stable internet connection. Ensure your TikTok app is updated. Open the Google Play Store, search for TikTok, and update the app if a newer version is available. Outdated apps can sometimes cause display issues like this. You can also clear the app cache. Go to your phone settings, then apps, app management, find TikTok and tap on it. Under storage, tap on clear cache, reopen TikTok and see if the comments are visible. If you are experiencing this issue on your own post, make sure your comment settings are not restricting visibility. Open TikTok, go to your profile, tap the three lines in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy, then Privacy and check Comments. Ensure your settings allow comments from everyone or specific groups. If the problem persists, uninstall and reinstall TikTok from the Google Play Store. This refreshes the app and resolves most glitches. And that's it. Hopefully, your comments are now showing. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.